Let's assume you have a web application. That application you want to access Azure resources. Then how to do that? So you have to create identity for your web application. The way to create it is using a app registration. So that means you are registering app. When you register a app, a application object gets created, and that application object creates something called service principal. This service principal will inherit the properties from the application object. So in case of single tenant, you will create a app registration and automatically service principal will get created. That is fine. So if your application works only in that tenant, it will work. Let's assume you want to make sure your application works in other tenants as well. Then you have to create app registration in one tenant. You will get a service principal there, and in another tenant you have to create only service principals, and according to the need in that other tenants you will assign the permissions. So that's so a app registration is a global, service principals are something like a local. So local to that tenant, but app registration is a global to all the tenants. It will reside in some tenant. That tenant we will call it like a home tenant. If you want to know more about these app registrations, service principals and enterprise applications and understand the basic difference between them, please watch. There is a playlist called Microsoft Entra ID in Wapa Studies YouTube channel. Please go and watch that. Thank you. Have a nice day.